Rob here. This is a shot list. Now, your film is 5 minutes long. Well, 4 to 5 minutes long, right? Now, as David Bordwell says, a modern film tends to have a change of shot everywhere between 5 and 6 seconds. Okay? Now, if you've got 5 minutes, yeah, that's what, 60 times 5, so 61, 22, 40, 300. Yeah? Now, if you're dividing that by, 300 seconds, right, divided by 10 is 30. Divided by 5 is 60, right? So you're going to need at least 60 different shots in your film. And that's not taking into account any coverage. Alright? So, you need to plan every shot you're going to have in your film. And this is what this is going to be for. Okay? So, in here, you put the scene number. So, hashtag means number, remember? So, scene number. What scene number does this shot relate to? Okay? Then, I've numbered all the shots for you. I've put 100 in here. Right? You can add more if you need to, or delete them if you don't need them. Right. In here, what shot type is it? Is it a close-up, a medium shot, a long shot? Is it a Dutch angle? Is it a high angle? Is it a low angle? Is it level? Okay? In this one, camera movement. Is it tilting, panning, tracking? Is it static? Is it an interior or exterior shot? Indoors or outdoors? Is it daytime? Is it nighttime? Yeah? Is it midday? Whatever. Shot description. Little description of what's going to happen in that shot. Yeah? Notes. Well, notes. Speaks for itself. That is a little box where you can tick when you filmed it. So what you do is you print this out and you take it with you when you're filming. And you film them. And as you film, when you go, tick, done that one. Tick, done that one. Alright? So, you might be scene 1, yeah? Shot 1. Extreme long shot, level. Movement, static. Exterior, day. Shot. Establishing shot of the outside of Thomas Rotherham College. Yeah? Notes. Shoot for about 5 seconds. Tick to say I've done it. Right? So you want to plan your film. Do it in chronological order, right? So that will help you. You probably won't film it in chronological order, but it helps you to plan your movie. So I want to know anywhere between 60 and 100 shots, every single shot you're going to have in your movie. Now remember, this is a working document. It might change as you're filming. You might think, oh, I don't actually need that, so I'm not going to shoot it. You might also think, oh, I've had a good idea of another shot, so you can add ones to it. It can change as time goes on, alright? But you need to plan it in advance, because what you don't want to do is turn up on set, and now your actors go, right, what are we doing? You go, dunno, let's make it up as we go along, right? Can't have that. By the way, production title, that's the name of your film. Director, that's you. Okay? So I want this filled out in detail before you go out and film. Got any questions? You know where I am. I'll talk to you next time.